welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm happy you stopped by. Have you ever had one of those days where you just don't have time to cook a full meal? You just want something easy, not a lot of ingredients. Well, that's me today. I've had one of those days, and I want to share with you my Speedy Chili Mac recipe. What I like about this recipe is that it's simple, it's easy, and best of all, it's delicious. And you only need 4 ingredients. So let's get started. You won't be disappointed, I promise. The 4 ingredients you'll need is a pound of ground turkey or ground beef, a package of macaroni and cheese, a can of kidney beans, and a jar of salsa. So we'll start off by browning our meat in a large skillet. You want to brown your meat until it's cooked all the way through. Next, you cook your macaroni and cheese according to the package directions. That usually involves boiling your macaroni, draining it, adding in your cheese sauce with some milk, and stirring it until it's all incorporated. Add your beans to your beef or turkey. Make sure that they're drained. Add your jar of salsa, and then you want to mix everything until it all comes together. And then you're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes over low heat. Add in your macaroni and cheese that you made earlier and mix everything up really well. There you have it, your Speedy Chili Mac in probably less than 30 minutes. You can add some green onions to this, some cheese, just for some extra flavor. And now it's time to eat. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you can add this chili mac to your list of simple dinner ideas. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please leave me a comment. I love hearing from viewers and subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.